Let's take a look at multiplying mixed numbers. So let's start with example 1 here, A and B. A, 9 2/3 times 1/4. So we're going to convert all the mixed numbers into improper fractions first. So 9 3s are 27, plus 2 is 29 over 3. 1/4 is a proper fraction, so we can just leave that the way it is. Now, can anything simplify? 29, 4, 3, 1? No. Let's just go straight into the multiplication. Top times top, 29 times 1, 29. Bottom times bottom, 3 4s are 12. There's our answer as an improper fraction. We've got to convert that into a proper fraction now. So let's do the division. 12 divided into 29. 12 2s are 24. 2 times 12 is 24. Subtract 5. So we get a remainder of 5. So our final answer here is a mixed number. We're going to get 2 and 5/12. Done. Another one. Let's try B. 2 1/4 times 1 5/6. Let's convert these to improper fractions. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9 over 4 times 1 and 5/6. 1 6 is 6 plus 5 is 11. 9 over 4 times 11 over 6. We can cancel some stuff here. Let's do that. We've got 9 and 6 are both divisible by 3. So 3 goes into 6 twice. 3 goes into 9 3 times. Anything else? No, I think that's it. What do you think? Nah, that's good to go. I agree. 3 times 11 is 33, and on the bottom 4 2s are 8. Okay, let's convert this into a mixed number. 8 into 33. 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, so I think it's going to be 4. 4 8s are 32, with a remainder of 1. So our final answer is a mixed number. It's going to be 4 and 1/8. Finished. Let's do a couple more for good luck. On to examples C and D. 3 times 1 2/7. Look, we have a whole number now. How do we write that as a fraction? 3 over 1, of course. And 1 2/7 as an improper fraction. 1/7 is 7 plus 2 is 9 over 7. Can anything cancel here? No, I don't think so. Straight into multiplication. 3 9s are 27 on the top, and on the bottom 1 times 7 is 7. 27 over 7, let's do the division. 7 goes into 27 how many times? 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. I think 3 whole times. 3 7s are 21, and subtracting we get 6, remainder of 6. So our final answer is a mixed number, 3 and 6/7. So easy. Your turn next, but let's try one more, just to make sure. 2 2/3. 2 3s are 6, plus 2 is 8 over 3. And then let's convert 4 1/2. 4 2s are 8, plus 1 is 9 over 2. Can anything cancel here? Oh, quite a bit, I think. 2 and 8. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 8, how many times? 4, of course. I knew that. I was just joking. Yeah, sure you were. No, I was joking. Whatever. Anything else? 3 and 9. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 9 3 times. And finishing this off. On the top, 4 3s are 12. And on the bottom, 1 times 1. Oh, that's interesting. We get 1. Our answer is a whole number. Final answer is just 12. 12 over 1 we can just write as 12. So that's enough of me showing you. Now it's your turn. Please try example 2. Are you able to multiply these sets of mixed numbers? One of them, I believe, has a whole number answer. Which one? And another one has a simple proper fraction answer. Which one? Don't forget to share your answers in the comments, and thanks for watching.